Welcome to the world of 3D printing with the 3Doodler Pro 2025. This innovative device is specially crafted for creativity and design. With cutting-edge technology, you can now print using materials such as wood, copper, steel, and more. Whether you're using standard printers or looking for a compact solution, this pen works seamlessly with popular filament spools. Enjoy a user-friendly experience with an upgraded display that provides full visibility, keeping you in complete control. The improved grip and button design ensure that your creativity flows smoothly and effortlessly. Engineered for optimal performance, its compact form ensures comfort and functionality as you create. Join the community of happy users that love the 3Doodler Pro. With a positive rating, it's a trusted tool for professionals. If you're inspired by this incredible tool, check out the link in the description to make it yours.